The London hammer is significant to young Earth creationists because they believe it challenges conventional geological and archaeological timelines. Here's why it's important to them. Out-of-place artifact. The hammer was found encased in a rock formation that is claimed to be over 100 million years old. Young Earth creationists argue that this suggests the hammer is much older than mainstream science acknowledges, potentially dating back to before the biblical flood. Evidence of pre-flood civilization. Carl Baugh, a prominent young Earth creationist, promotes the hammer as evidence of a pre-flood civilization. He suggests that the hammer is proof that humans and advanced tools existed long before the accepted timeline of human history too. Challenge to geological processes. The hammer's condition, with the wood handle petrified but the metal head relatively uncorroded, is seen by creationists as evidence that natural geological processes cannot explain its preservation. They argue that it must have been encased quickly, supporting their belief in a young Earth. Support for creationist theories. The London hammer is used by young Earth creationists to support their theories about the Earth's age and the occurrence of a global flood. They believe it provides tangible evidence that aligns with their interpretation of biblical events. While mainstream scientists and geologists have alternative explanations for the hammer's preservation, such as the possibility of a more recent object being encased in rock through natural processes, young Earth creationists view it as a significant piece of evidence for their beliefs.